Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for clicking on my video. I am Ashley of Yours Naturally 11, where I make YouTube videos about natural hair, makeup, family stuff, maybe even sometimes some vlogs and some food tasting videos. Who knows, whatever I think of, I record it and I put it here on my channel. Although I've been absent for maybe a month or so, I just want to let you guys know that I have been really trying to be as authentic as possible. Just not really forcing any kind of content or anything like that, because whenever I'm having a creative block, it's best that I don't create. That's just how it is in the creator world. If I'm forcing content, I'm not gonna like it. So here I am today, and today I am here to share with you some brand new products from a brand new brand, and I'm really excited to tell you about the brand called Merit. Catherine Power is the founder of Who, What, Where, Versed, Aveline, or Aveline, it just depends on how you want to say it, and finally Merit, which is her beauty line. And I love Who, What, Where. That is actually in Target, and I am a huge fan. Merit launched on January 12th, and they are available in Sephora and Sephora.com in the US and Canada stores. So they pride themselves on being a very clean brand and also well edited. Their mission is to basically simplify your makeup routine by taking a more minimalistic approach to their products and how you can use them. Also, they're very clean products as well. So they are a conscious beauty brand, and I love that about them. Let me show you how cute the branding is. Your first purchase is going to come with this super cute bag. It's actually the same color as my shirt. That was not on purpose, okay? It just speaks to me like very high-end in a way, kind of luxe, minimalistic. And these are the products that they sent to me. So this is how the packaging looks. Very simple, sleek, and minimalistic. Like I said, very luxe. And this is the branding right here. This is their foundation stick. Also, they sent me the Bounce Highlighting Balm, which is their highlighter. They also sent me the All Naturel Tinted Lip Oil, because I'm the Perfect Black Lengthening Mascara. Volumizing Pomade. I want to say this is for brows. They sent me a cheek color. Also, they sent me the brush number 1, which is their blending brush. Let's do a little minimalistic makeup tutorial slash first impressions. I'm sorry if I'm a little low energy tonight. It is kind of like 10 o'clock and I have been at work since 9 o'clock. So it's been 12 hours since I've actually been working. So I'm a little tired. So energy is a little low, just a little. So I'm going to cleanse, tone, and also moisturize my face so that this can be a fair review. And the first thing that I'm going to use is the Perfecting Complexion Stick. Whatever side the logo is on, that is the side that you open it up on. Give y'all a swatch. Ooh, I'm like impressed already. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my face. I just had a facial the other day, y'all, and it was so bomb. My esthetician and lash tech Alicia at Paris Parker Salon in Baton Rouge, Perkins Row location. She's so awesome. My skin has been improving tremendously since I've been seeing her. So this is how I'm applying it. Just aligns on my face. And honestly, Khaki is looking really good. I'm gonna use the blending brush. They do not have a concealer. However, you can use the foundation as the concealer. The coverage is pretty light. However, I feel like it's buildable. So this is how my face is looking. Very natural finish to it. I love it though. I have a few little spots that I need more coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. More so on my cheeks where I have scars a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and go underneath my eyes with that. By the way, if y'all really want to take a look into, you know, what ingredients are in here, I'll leave links down below. I really like this, y'all. Lately, I've really been taking like a minimalistic approach to my makeup routine because, I mean, with the fact that we have to have our faces covered anyway, I don't like to spend too much time on my routine. So like, if I do put on makeup, I want it to be really simple, really light, nothing too heavy that's gonna transfer too much. So minimalistic beauty has been my go-to. Now, they don't have a powder, but this is all about simplifying your routine, so don't fret, okay? We're gonna go right in with the blush. You wanna do it and it looks like this. I can tell you this, I have been really enjoying cream blushes lately. Super easy to blend. Look at that color. I was really concerned that the color was gonna be too deep for me, but it's really nice. Oh my gosh, and it's like not too opaque. It's very sheer. I'm just gonna go in and tap that with my hand. I don't want to use a brush or anything like that because I kind of want it to be natural and keep its pigment. Kind of has like a sheen to it if you see. Very nice. Very simple. Oh, I could just leave it like this. Like, this is nice. I could just put on some lip gloss and go. Next, we're gonna go in with the highlighter, which is in Bounce, and it's a highlighting balm. It looks really glossy. So let's go all in. I'm gonna apply, oh, wow, that's really slippery. Okay. I feel like it's doing something. You see that reflect right there, but I don't feel like it's doing much. Like, I feel like there was already like that reflect from the cheek balm. I can feel the difference. It's a little bit more, I don't wanna say oily because oily seems so negative, but it's a little bit more slippery. I feel it more than I see it. Okay, now I can really see it on my nose. So I guess since I didn't have anything on my nose at all, and I already had something on my cheek. Oh, now I can, okay. You see that? Yeah, it's doing something. I feel young again. Next, we're gonna go in with the Volumizing pomade in the shade Brown. So I'm gonna brush that in. So, okay, I'm gonna brush them up a little bit just for that effortless, natural look that we're going for. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look, oh, I see the difference. Y'all see it? So we're just gonna do that again. Be effortless with it. Be open to whatever your eyebrows want to do. I'm curious to see if it has somewhat of a hold. I see the color coming through, but I don't know about the hold, so I'm interested. Cute, cute. Then I'm gonna go in with the All Naturel Tinted Lip Oil. Very, very lightweight, not too pigmented, very natural, and it's kind of oily on the lips, hence oil. Look at that, ooh. I love it, love it. Last but not least, we're going in with the Merit Perfect Black Lengthening Mascara. My lash tech will be like, girl, didn't I just tell you no? So just to darken them a little bit, just a little, okay, just a little. That's a lot. And then I'm gonna go in at the bottom and really just like go all in. Definitely got some in my eyeball. I love it. It is that, like I said, this can easily be a 5-minute minimalistic makeup look. Like, seriously, out of the door. That's something like, I feel like this is something I can do in my car. So like all of these products are really nice to just put in the bag that it comes in and just carry it along with you as your little makeup bag. I didn't have to use any special brushes or anything like that, with the exception of the foundation, but then again, I can still just rub that into my face because it's a stick. So I love it. Not even gonna lie, like, this is super, super simple and ideal for my lifestyle right now as it is. I'm a super busy mother. I have 4 kids. I have a job. I'm also an influencer, so I do a lot of back and forth traveling, photo shoots. So I'm always on the go, and if I want something super effortless and minimal, just and natural, I think that this is the brand for you. And on top of it being sustainable, ethical, and clean, I think that this is a great brand. So definitely check out Merit. I'm gonna leave all the info in the description box for you to check out. So let me know if you want to see some more videos like this. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and leave some love down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.